Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this in 2 minutes. So this effect is really easy to do, but it looks really nice and it has a lot of creative freedom. I can show you what I mean with that later. And to get yourself started with this effect, the only thing you're going to need is After Effects, and I guess your footage, but that's kind of a given. So After Effects is what you need. So I'm going to hop into After Effects and I'll see you there. So to begin, as usual, just import your footage and drop it into your timeline, and then trim it to begin where you want it to begin and end where you want it to end. Now you're going to need to slice your footage in 2 different places. The first cut should be made when your actor begins his running motion, as I'm doing here. The second cut should be made when your actor finishes his running motion. And by the way, if you don't know how to quickly make a cut in your footage like I'm doing, it is Control-Shift-D. Now you should see like 3 different sections of your footage. On the long one in the middle where your actor is jogging to their destination, right-click on it, go up to Time, and then click Time Stretch. Change this value to whatever you think looks good. You'll see me putting it at 4 right now, but I actually end up changing it to 2 after this. So just do whatever you think looks good. Personally though, I would recommend leaving the value at 2. Right here, I also decide that I want my actor to start like super speed running a little bit earlier than he previously was, so I just trimmed off the end of the beginning of the running motion clip. Now go up to the top right of your screen to the Effects and Presets tab and search Force Motion Blur. Drag this Force Motion Blur effect onto the running clip in the center that you just sped up. I also like to change these values up at the top. I typically just crank the motion blur samples all the way up to the max, and then I put the shutter angle at something around 300. Again, this is really up to preference. You can mess around with these values and turn them to whatever you think looks good to you, but once you've decided that this looks good, you're done. So earlier I mentioned this effect having a lot of creative freedom. What I really meant by that is just you can add more onto this. You don't have to just leave it as like a really fast blur, and you can if you want to, and personally I think it looks pretty cool like that, but I've messed around with this effect in the past and I've added like a blue light streak going behind me, and I've also added like flash lightning because I found a pack of flash lightning assets online. I'll show you a couple examples right now. But yeah, this effect really has a ton of potential, and if you're more advanced and you know how to do more, you absolutely can on top of this. So yeah guys, that's really it. I hope you enjoyed. If this helped you or you liked it, please consider giving this video a like, and also maybe consider subscribing to the channel. I'm a small YouTuber, so really everything helps. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.